Hello my beautiful ladies, welcome. My name is Joany. Welcome to my channel, and today it's going to be all about some fusion. We're going to add some Latin flair to our belly dance. So get in something comfortable and join me. All right, deep breath in up and breathe out. Okay, open up the chest when you breathe in. Expand here, but don't hold the breath. When you breathe out, just breathe out from the belly, and this is going to keep you into your proper posture. Please remember of always being in proper stance. Now, up. So now you got some space to play around here, okay? And we're going to start with those hip drops. We're going to start with the right hip down and then left. Keep this lifted. Right, left, good. So this is a bachata rhythm. So eventually we'll do some bachata stuff. Using our belly dancing movement, we're doing our hip drops. So now, right now, we're gonna try to twist that a little bit towards the back. Good. Little twist. So it's a small figure eight. So in Latin, usually our arms are here. In belly dancing, it's always out here. Sometimes we bring it in to express, but for now, we could keep it out, and then eventually we'd add the Latin arms. Okay. I'm gonna add a little lift. So we're gonna go right, left, little lift. Left, right, left, lift with your right hip. So it's a hip lift. You're gonna press against the ball of your foot from the floor and then contract right here and then release. Contract and then just release. Good. So keep going. So we're doing a hip lift and then 3 loops and lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. So we are on the spot. Eventually we're going to travel instead of staying on the spot. So now we're going to start traveling. Do your hip lift on your right and then travel to the right. 1, 2, 3, hip lift. Doing the same thing, but traveling with those hips. Notice my feet. I don't stomp my feet. I roll from the ball to the heel. Ball, heel, and then lift. Ball, heel. So I kind of leave the ball of the feet kind of flat. It's never leaving the floor. It just kind of slides on the floor. So my arms, I've noticed my arms, they kind of went back to kind of a Latin. So let's go belly dancing arms. Okay, we could go a little bit faster with this. So let's do on the spot. 1, 2, 3, now a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2. Now travel. 1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3, pop. Don't forget to do those loops. Little loops are very small figure eights. Okay, so now on the spot, I'm gonna add some arms. So we're gonna bring the arms to the side, behind our head. Don't forget to keep the same feet and then open. And then we're gonna travel to the right. And travel again. And now in place. Bring your arms down. Slowly up, behind your head. Open. And travel to the right. 1, 2, 3, pop. In place. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. And side. Keep going. So you're doing your bachata, which is a very common dance in Dominican Republic, very popular. And I find when you know how to do hip isolation, your Latin dance becomes so much easier. Now in place again. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3, pop. And 1, 2, 3, pop. Okay, we're gonna add to it. Just wanna make sure I have enough music. So again, on the place, on the spot, pop, 2, 3, pop. Okay, so we're gonna bring our right foot front and we're gonna walk. 1, 2, 3, now back. Up, 1. And again, I kinda always roll from the ball to the heel. And I'm still doing some little figure eights. I'm still using my hips. Now I'm going to add a little tap here, or a kind of just a scoop and bring it back. And we're going to tap, but here we're going to just kind of cross it. Okay, instead of a hip lift, just tap the foot. And we go 1, 2, 3, a little whoop. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, scoop it up. 1, 2, 3, pop. I kind of use my belly, kind of pull in, little contraction here. That's it. And you can use this in bachata, in belly dancing. You're gonna woo and whoop. You can add some style to it. Whoop. Now let's put it all together. In place. Pop. 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 To the side. And now to the front. Now let's do just Latin arms. So the Latin arms are just, they stay close to the heart. Hands stay close to the heart. Elbows are out. And now let's bring it up to the side. Close to the body. Behind your head. And then out. And now get ready to go side, but bring your arms in. And now forward. Whoop. Okay, so let's put this together. Instead of doing the Latin arms, let's do our belly dancing arms. And we go. 1, 2, 3, pop. You can bring your arms in. and then out. You're gonna leave it out and travel. 1, 2, 3, pop. To the front. And hold. And hope you enjoyed this little Latin flavor into your belly dance. See you in the next video and have a wonderful day.